Today we will look at identifying file more formats and file types. Sometimes extensions of the files are misleading and you want to know what kind of file you are dealing with. So the basic approach to do this simple task is using an hex editor. In a hex editor, you can simply view the hex version of the data that is stored in the form of bits. As you can see, when you open a text file into an hex editor, the first bits corresponds to the file format and the last bits are your data. Here the 68 refers to the h that is written in the file. As I can show you, the file only contains an word that is hello. So in the hex format it contains the data. What if you are dealing with a multiple files? You cannot open every single file into a hex editor and analyze it. For that you need some more powerful tool, and for that we are having a TrIDNet. You can download TrIDNet from the mark0.net. You should download the TrID.net, that is the GUI version of TrIDNet. And as I have already downloaded these files, I can simply show you after unzipping those files. And whenever you launch TrIDNet for the first time, you should always add the definitions that are in XML into TrIDNet. And for the analyzing part, we simply need to drag and drop the files. For example, if I show you the zip file that was containing an exe, you can simply, as you can see, no definitions were found in the XML. Here's definitions are there because I have pointed to the parent directory, so I should switch to the subdirectory of the definitions. And now as you can see, the definitions are getting analyzed, and when these will be analyzed you can see the analysis of the zip file, as this will take some time. And you can see the TrIDNet have analyzed that this file contains 80% of the zip and 20% of the portion is the bin, as it was containing an exe with the txt file. And for the analysis of exe file, you can see the analysis of exe